In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Trello. Trello is a versatile project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize and prioritize your projects seamlessly. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, knowing how to effectively assign tasks can really enhance your productivity and ensure everyone knows what they need to do and when. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open Trello and navigate to the specific board where your task is located. Boards in Trello act as workspaces where you can group related tasks together. This helps keep all the information you need at your fingertips. Open your Trello app or go to the website, log in if required, and select the board where your task resides. Once you're in, you're all set to move on to the next step. Now you'll want to locate the card that corresponds to the task you wish to assign. Cards are essentially the individual tasks or items that you can move across your Trello board as work progresses. Look through the lists on your board to find the specific card you're interested in. Once you find it, simply click on it to open up the detailed view of the card. This view will show all the information related to the task, such as descriptions, due dates, and of course, assignments. Next, we'll dive into assigning your team member or members to the task. In the card menu on the right, you'll see a section labeled Members. This is where you'll want to click to bring up a list of all the people who are part of your Trello board. You have a couple of options here to assign someone. You can scroll through the list to find their name manually, or a quicker way is to start typing the teammate's name in the search bar if you have a lot of members on your board. Once you've located the right person, click their profile, and voila, they are now assigned to the card.
You should see their avatar displayed on the card, which indicates that they have been added successfully and will now receive notifications and updates related to this task. Keep in mind that you can assign multiple teammates to a single task if needed, which is particularly useful for collaborative efforts. Congratulations, you've just assigned a task on Trello. Assigning tasks properly not only helps in keeping track of who's responsible for what, but also promotes accountability and clarity among team members. Remember, you can unassign members or reassign tasks at any time as your projects evolve. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to assign tasks on Trello. With these steps, you can streamline your workflow and make sure every team member is on the same page. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!